Today we are going to discuss menstruation, some problems for that. Here some things already you studied. Suppose you have a square of side A, then we can find that the area is A squared or A into A. If a side S, it's S into S. If you have a perimeter 4A, then rectangle length and breadth given. This one length, this one is breadth. Means we can tell it's L into B. If you have length as A, we can write as A into B. The perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is the surrounded lines. So L plus B plus L plus B. So 2L plus 2B, that is 2 into L plus B. Then triangle area of BH. Then perimeter sum of all the sides A, B, C. Suppose a parallelogram. So B into H. So perimeter sum of all the sides. Parallelogram is nothing but suppose you are going to construct on diagonal. Now we can tell the two triangles. Opposite sides are equal. So you can compare this parallelogram with your rectangle. Here angles only are different. So that here it's a height. So it's a base. So of base into height. So next one of base into height. Both base are equal. Both height are equal. So 1 by 2 base into h. 1 by 2 base into h is nothing but base into h. So we can collect 1 by 2 base into h as a common term. So remaining term means 1, here 1. Right. Rhombus area 1 by 2 diagonal D1 and diagonal D2. Suppose this one is a diagonal D1, this one is a D2. Product of D1 D2 by 2. Circle area pi r square and circumference or perimeter 2 pi r. Trapezium area 1 by 2 h into A plus B. Sum of the parallel sides. Only one side is parallel and you have a height h means 1 by 2 h into A plus B. Now we are going to study the first problem. A square and a rectangular field with measurements are given 60, here 80, have the same perimeter, both have same perimeter. Which field has a larger area? This is the question. Which field has a larger area? So for that, first one is a square. Second one is a rectangle. Square side A. So now both perimeter equal, no? So using a perimeter of square, because one data enough to find perimeter. So 4A, 4 into A value 60, so 240 meter. Here only length given, but we need to find breadth value. So perimeter equal to 2 into L plus B. Now given perimeter of square and rectangle are equal, that is 2 into L plus B equal to 240. That is perimeter of square, it's equal to perimeter of rectangle. Substitute L value 80. So in 2 of answer you can give. One is, suppose you are going to substitute 80 here, then you can multiply 2 with your 80 and 2 with your B using distributive law. So 2 into 80, 2 into B equal to 240. So 2 into 80, 160, 2B. So 160 we can write right side, 240 minus 160, so 80. So 2 into B equal to 80, B equal to 80 by 2 as B equal to 40. Another way, 2 into 80 plus B. These two terms we need to consider. 2 is in product, no? So we can write 80 plus B equal to 240 divided by 2. So 80 plus B equal to 240 divided by 2 as 120. So B equal to 120 minus 80. So B equal to 40. So in 2A of answer you can give. Now we need to find a area, because which one is greater. So area of square 60 square, 60 into 60 square means 60 into 60, so 3600 meter square. So learn, here you have meter because of only one data, no, only one unknown variable, so meter. Here two value product, meter into meter, so meter square. Rectangle L value 80, B value 40, so multiply, so 3200, so it's meter square. So square has a larger area, so this one is larger area. So which one has a larger area? A. So that is square. Next problem. Mrs. Kausi has a square plot with the measurement are shown in the picture. She wants to construct a house in the middle of the plot. A garden is developed around the house. Find the total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of 55 per meter square. So the question is, what is the shaded region? And for a per square meter, its cost is 55. So multiply this 55 with your the shaded region. So here 25 and 25. So the whole, that is bigger thing is a square, because 25 no, both are 25, so it's equal, lengthwise breadthwise equal, so it's a square. So area of the square minus area of the house, the total area of, we know that it's 25 into 25, that is area of square, but we need to find only the garden area. So for that we need to subtract the house area of your the whole form. So 25 into 25, it's for length and breadth, that is both are equal, so it's square. So area of square minus area of rectangle, because it's 20 meter and 15 meter. So this one is a shaded region. After that we need to multiply by 55, because it's given per meter square. So that is area of a garden equal to area of a square minus area of a rectangle. B study, we need to remove the house area, because we are going to construct only the garden area. Garden area only we are going to find. Square side given as 25, and a rectangle L value 20, B value 15 as given. Now area of the garden we need to find. For that, first area of a square is A into A, 25 into 25, 625 meter square. Now area of a rectangle L into B, so 20 into 15, that is 300 meter square. Now area of a garden, so area of a square minus area of rectangle, so 325 meter square. Now total cost of developing a garden around the house at the rate of rupees 55 meter square. So 55 into 325, that is rupees 17875. So we need to find the product. Next, the homework problem. So simple problems, find the area and the perimeter of the given shape. So here square, because 50 area A square, perimeter 4A, substitute and find. A value 50. Rectangle L value 100, B value 60. So 2 into L plus B, it's perimeter, L into B is a area. So here don't confuse with your data, because I am given to clear our doubts. That is, this one is a height, because it's a perpendicular symbol, it's given like that, means their height is 6 cm, base 11 cm. So area 1 by 2 base into height, base 11 and height 6, substitute. Perimeter, sum of all the side, 1 2 3, sum of all the side is perimeter, right? Now the area of a circle is pi r squared, r value 14 cm given, substitute and find. Now circumference is perimeter of the circle. Now circumference is 2 pi r. So 2 pi r value 14, substitute and find. Next, find the area of the shadowed region. Only this shadowed region we need to find. So that is area of the rectangle 80 and 60. No, area of the rectangle using 80 and 60 minus area of the square, because here also 60 meter, this length is 60 meter, this length is 60 meter. So area of the area of the shadowed region is area of the rectangle minus area of the square. Here also area of the shadowed region is, bigger one is square. So area of the square minus area of the rectangle. Area of the square is 90 into 90, that is A square, minus L into B. So L value 60, B value 30. So substitute and find. So just do this problem also. Thank you.